Welcome, in front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this device. So if you want to take a screenshot using only your touch screen, you'll have to open a Windows menu and go to Snipping Tool and select this record icon right here and tap on New. And then proceed by recording the video, but if you have a keyboard attached, you have two more options. First one is using Windows Shift and R keys simultaneously, like this. Or you can simply use the print screen button and then again switch to the record option. So once you switch to the record option, you'll have to select either using your mouse or just by making a selection with your finger. You have to select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can of course reshape, resize it by dragging the sides and the corners of it. Let me do it with my mouse. It's more convenient for me in this case. Okay, and when you want to start recording, you have to click Start. Now before we do this, I also want to tell you about these two icons right here. This one needs your microphone, unmutes your microphone, and this one mutes your system audio when you click on it. So when you want to start, just let me make a selection again and then click Start to begin the recording. Let's use the microphone. Okay, and okay, so right now you have three more additional icons. This one pauses the video, this one stops and saves the video, and this one deletes the video without saving. Right now, anything that happens within this selection will be shown in the video, so we can, for example, open a folder here and do anything, show anything. And when you want to start, you simply have to click on this red square icon, and you'll immediately see the window with the preview of your video, basically the full video and everything that happens within it. Okay, you can edit, you can trim the video right here using this tool, or you can edit it in Clipchamp once you log into your Microsoft account if you're not already. And you can close this window basically, and then when you open File Explorer, you'll be able to find your video in the Videos folder, Screen Recordings, and here it is. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.